What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you guys can see right now, we're looking at the investing account sitting at $63,650.61. We're up in the past year, almost 16% increase, guys. We made over $8,000 in the investing account alone, which is not bad. We're making some real gains just in this past year in this volatile market, this choppy market. You guys see I'm up 15.40%. That's almost $8,500. So right here in the buying power, we got 31.05.70. I still got a Sweet Greens option. 4 contracts right here in Sweet Green, $13 put. I got 4 contracts, like as I said earlier. Average cost $55. Right here it says total return -72. That just means it's not really negative right now. That just means the stock price pulled back, and at the close of the market, that's what the price was at the pullback. If we view Sweet Green right now, I'm actually in the lead with this. Stop at $13.50. My strike price was $13. I think my break even was even less than that. Let me see if I can find it. I guess I gotta go back to the other page. Yep, my break even is $12.45. So that means even if this stock goes below 13, I'm still in the profit until I get to $12.45, when that's where I will actually begin to see my break even with this position. So as long as this position ends above $13 a share, I will fulfill my obligation of my contract, my 4 contracts with Sweet Green, and the premium that I collected is right here back on May 20th, $220 for this 4 contract puts of Sweet Green. Yep. All right. Cash earning interest, $3,105.80. Lifetime interest paid, $70.72. We got, and of course, 4% APY because I'm Robinhood Gold. As you can tell, it's 12:35 a.m., super early in the morning. The market started back over. That's why everything's red right now. I still got my stocks and ETF holdings along with my crypto holdings, Doge, Ethereum, Avalanche. Then I got my stocks and ETFs, like I said, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Google Class A and Class C, SCHD. I got my Walmart, 113 shares of Walmart. I got 225 shares of SCHD. I got Coca-Cola, SPLG, 122 shares of SPLG, which is my S&P 500 ETF. You guys already know right now it's sitting at $69.44. I got market value is $85.01.24. And right now I'm up $162.17 in this position. I actually sold half of this position earlier to liquidate some cash so I could begin my options trading journey. And I'm going to be doing that more as time goes on. I still got 55.24 shares of NVIDIA in this account. I still have a little bit of Meta, the IBIT, which is the IBIT. This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF at $59.81. I still got 64 shares of that. Market value $3,854.70. My average cost was $54.31. So right now it's at $59.81. My total return is $354.70, or 10% return, guys. Anything over 8%, we're getting rich. So remember that. Also, in a traditional IRA account, at $47,080.20. Also, for the 1 year, I'm up $8,575.20, or a 22.27% return so far in this account as well. My buying power is $9,561.36, which is good to having the buying power to be freed up, but I'm also I'm also just like, I don't want too much money on the sidelines not working. I'd rather have my money deployed in the market into different option trading contracts so I can, um, get more premium, collect more premium. If you guys know, in this account, just last week, I had the NVIDIA's cover call. I was selling. I collected $174 off that cover call. I got 126 shares right here still in this account. Palantir got 26.80 shares right now. Palantir is at 1.66, and I'm actually looking to sell some cash cover puts for this one so I can get 100 shares of it. I'm looking to get a signed Palantir, guys. To be honest, it's not a loss if you get a sign. You can just run the wheel strategy and collect more premiums on the upside and the other side. I don't call it the downside. It's the upside and the other side. That's what I call it. So market value, $3,528.44. Average cost, $75.94. And I'm up total return of $14.93.15. That's a 73.36% return, guys. Woo! Palantir has been rocking it. Palantir has been knocking it out the park. Like I said, I'm looking to continue building up my position in Palantir, regardless if I got a dollar cost average into the position or if I can get a sign through options trading. We'll see. But yeah, there's big plans for Palantir. Governmental contracts secured with Palantir. I got some other stocks like SoFi, looking to get into with some more option trading. Different things I'm trying to do, create those premiums to create that passive income. Right now, total return, we're at $110,751.59 in the Robinhood account. Also got another $15,000 sitting in the Fidelity account, collecting interest and also being accumulated to every single week. So we're on our way, guys, to 150K, eventually 200K, eventually 500,000 and 500K, and we're going to get to our million. We just got to keep going. I'm glad you guys are here with me and bring you guys along the journey to watch my progress. Any kind of comments, questions, concern, make sure you drop it down below in the comments below. This is KJD Investor signing off. Over and out. Peace.